If somebody doesn't trust you, what's your close rate? I would say zero. What's your referral rate if they don't trust you? Again, zero. What's your repeat business rate if they don't trust you? Again, zero. I think you're getting the message because you can have the best product in the world. You can have the best service. You can have the best price. You can offer guaranteed return on investment. But if you don't have trust, all of the above means absolutely nothing. You see, there's an awful lot of competition out there, an awful lot of competition. So trust is the only thing that really sets you apart from your competition. Lots of people have a similar price. Lots of people have a similar service. Lots of people have a similar product. So trust can really set you apart. But here's the thing, you can break trust really quickly. If you have a contract with someone and you don't honour that contract, trust is broken. If you're over promising something but under delivering it, if you're too pushy on your follow up, if you cancel meetings late without any notice or without any explanation, if you're late for things, all of these things are things that can break trust really, really quickly. And trust me, once it's broken, it's really hard to get back. It really does set you apart from other people. And for me, trust is everything. And all of the other things that companies focus on, they're important, but they don't mean a thing without trust.